So my name's Jay Carter and I started reselling over 10 years ago. I've now become one of the UK's largest independent suppliers for reselling businesses. We work with heavily discounted stock, like see that designer Off-White to the right at 80% off, or mixed deals, which includes Hugo Boss, Lacoste, Levi's, and even low ticket stock like Adidas stock at £4 a unit. Now, our business model is built around supplying resellers like yourself who use applications like eBay, Vinted, or even live streaming to generate sales. We work with supplying deals which can start at £100 bundles all the way up to £10,000 deals every single week. Such as my client Buy Supply, who spent £10,000 last week. So as you can see here, my client Antonis, who owns Buy Supply, did over £7,000 in profit last month. Now this was live streaming, heavily discounted stock. So that's an independent deal that he bought from us, such as the Mercier. You can see him unloading all of his stock that we supplied him, or he's been consistently buying our lower ticket deals at £15 a unit. Now these are the type of businesses that we supply. People who want to sell stock and make a significant margin. I'm talking 100% profit on his products selling. Another example of a client is Suju. You can see Suju here actually in this same warehouse coming and shopping. Now she's been hitting about £500 to £1,000 a month profit alongside a career in dentistry. Now these are the type of businesses that we supply. Now that's with stock, but it's also with mentorship and support. So as a member of our service, what you can have access to is additional suppliers, one-to-one support with us and the team, alongside our 8-hour educational videos, teach you exactly how you can turn this into profit. Now, we've been in this industry for over 4 years doing business-to-business supply chain. We've seen businesses open their own stores, their own units, or even some people just doing this as a side hustle. Now, ultimately, it's how we can turn this stock into profit with you. Now, years of experience in this industry has taught me one thing. It's that marketplaces are incredibly useful tools, such as eBay and Vinted, which you've casually used before. So what we do is we give you the blueprint that you need to use the marketplaces to generate over £1,000 per month profit using them applications. But on the other side, it's the stock and the importance of using it. Okay? Getting the correct product, like you can see next to me, which is an extremely big discount. Taking a great product image and a good description and turning that into a sale on the other side. Now this 3-step process is what we have dialed in on and really been able to generate results within our membership. And ultimately the same thing you can do too. Now we don't require you to have tens of thousands of pounds of budget. Truthfully, most of our clients only spend a couple grand a month. However, that can generate £700 plus profit as a residual earning. Or you can scale that. You can really scale that. To the point where I have clients who come and spend £20,000, £30,000, such as my clients E.G. Krebs, who's been buying sneaker cages from us. You can see him actually picking up this deal here. Now he'll then go and stream it, generating tens of thousands of pounds of revenue at a really good margin. We're aiming for 20 to 40% on that type of volume. Now our model works in a couple of ways. Okay, so number one is drop shipping. We have a load of products which we give you photo images of that you can go and generate sales, whether that's on Instagram or Snapchat, and we'll ship it direct to your client. The majority of our business is based around wholesale. Like I say, with £0 MOQ. This means you don't have to spend 5k, 10k, you can come with £100 and buy a bundle or as much as you want. We will then build that deal around you. So let's say it's an Adidas deal, you're buying at £4 a unit. You give us a shipping address and we will get it to you within 24 to 48 hours if you are based in the UK. Now that is a brilliant service. You have access to wholesale rates with £0 MOQ and you get it within the next day. This is what we're here to do as a business. We also have clients who come and shop in person, or if we really know you as a business. This is an additional service that we offer. Our stock comes brand new in packaging with tags. This is the way our service works. So buying clearance and liquidation deals from big UK retailers, which allows us to hit these big percentage off quotas and more. Now this is the exact stock which is going to make you hit margin. That's what we are bothered about. You making profit using their marketplaces. Now I also understand you're probably going to want access to some real designer higher ticket products. Now even if we don't stock that, we give you access to a supply chain of over 200 suppliers, UK based, who have that stock. Whether that's Goyard, LV, Hermes, products you can get in at, again, really good market rates. Now that's not going to be 80% off, but great B2B rates where you can put £200 profit on top, again, without having to deploy capital into that exact product. Now this is what we call drop shipping. So let me break this down as simple as I can. We're a UK-based distributor who's going to supply you and your business with stock. Stock which you can make money on. Stock that you're going to receive within 24 to 48 hours. And this is all done within our membership service. So only you as a member is going to have access to this product. Stops any competition. What you're also going to have is additional suppliers that you can use to generate profits within other stock which you don't work with. And that mentor, that person who's had the experience there to really help and guide you in your reselling career and business. Now, my name is Jay Carter. I've been reselling for over 10 years and I'm now a B2B distributor to people like yourself. You can click in the link below to drop a call to get started within my B2B membership service. Now, I know you've just heard me talk a lot about my business, but what I'm going to do is show you some results to my members and the profits they've been making from our stock.